Greetings. My name is Alex Saveliev. I'm an entertainment journalist, film and television critic, and member of the Critics' Choice Association. In recent decades, China's breakneck speed of development has attracted the attention of the rest of the world. The country's social development, economic situation, and people's lives have moved forward in leaps and bounds. But how did this modern history come about? And what kind of stories have those who lived through it experienced? Season 2 of the Chinese TV period drama series Like a Flowing River dramatizes this paradigm shift. It begins more than 40 years ago with protagonist Song Yonghui, a talented figure who faced much discrimination. In 1977, however, he stepped up and out of his rural family upbringing by passing a college entrance exam, and after graduation joined a chemical factory where he worked in construction and as a technical expert. We can see in the series that his choices are very firm, knowing when to be flexible and when to compromise, especially amongst a cohort of factory directors, each having their own perspectives. In short, Like a Flowing River 2 focuses on a group of ambitious characters who show bravery in their struggle. The series dazzles in its detail towards the development of society during China's reform and opening up, the transformation of the economic system, changes to a vast rural area, and new ways of doing things in the work environment. Today, I'm very excited to chat with the well-known Chinese actor, Wang Kai. Wang, thank you so much for joining us. It's so nice to meet you. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you.
I know that you play a person running a company in the second season of Like a Flowing River. The story takes place 30 years ago, back during your parents' generation, which was quite different to how China is today. How did you prepare for the role?
其实接到这个角色之初啊，我是挺担心的，因为毕竟没有经历过那个年代，因为那是我们父辈所经历的那个年代，我还是挺忐忑的，所以我只能够是通过像我父母那一辈的人，比如说爸爸妈妈或者是我家里的亲戚，尽可能的问到更细致。第二个就是在拍摄的过程当中，几位导演也给了我很大的帮助，尤其是孔生导演，因为他也是经历过那个年代的人，所以他对那个年代的东西感知是相对最准确的。他不会告诉你说该怎么去演，但是他会跟你说，比如说跟你讲一个故事，那么你慢慢的听得越多，在脑海中对于这个人物的形象就会越来越具体。
That's fantastic. In season 1, you played a young college student, while in season 2, you are a relatively stable factory worker. How has, in your eyes, the character grown and changed?
第一季我在诠释他是一个学生的时候啊，我就是让他表现出一种特别安静的一个状态，就是静，他不会被外物所打扰。只会一门心思的沉浸在自己渴求的这个知识当中，所以大家看到的宋运辉第一季是比较木讷、呆呆的，大家都说书呆子。但是到了第二季，他的身份转变了，地位转变了，所以他面对的人也不一样了，要处理的事情也不一样了。而且第二季他还结婚了，有了自己的家庭，有了孩子，他学会了变通。但是第一季的时候，他是真的不会变通。他就是钻牛角尖，一根筋。这个改变是因为他的成长，二个是他工作的职位变了，然后生活的环境变了，所以才导致这个人物有一个变化。
What was the biggest difficulty or maybe challenge that you faced in filming this show and creating this character?
因为宋运辉人物基调在第一部的时候是相当于偏内敛和安静的。但是往往像这样的角色，在一整部40集跨度的电视剧当中来说的话，很考验演员的。虽然他台词不多，但是是否是通过他的眼神，通过他的微表情，通过他的形体包括他说话的语气，都要做相应的处理，让这个角色的张力在40集的戏当中能够支撑得起来，不至于乏味和枯燥。第一和第二部都有，就是台词，一个是台词的量特别大，二个是涉及了大段化工类的专业术语，所以我觉得这两点来说是困难吧，当时来说。
Myself recently started watching a lot of Chinese dramas, and it's amazing to me how they transcend race and culture and how intelligent and witty and modern they are. Amongst them, something like this show or Nothing But 30 was another reference that I used.
感谢 Alex 为那个中国电视剧写一些影评，非常感谢啊！而且看片很有品味，看的现在都是现在中国最受欢迎的电视剧。
Oh. Coming from you, that's a very high compliment. Thank you. Thank you.
那我可以问 Alex 几个问题吗？
Sure, of course.
除了看《三十而已》和《大江大河》以外，还看过其他的电视剧吗？
My grandfather actually used to be really deep into Chinese culture. So when I was a child, I was watching a lot of Chinese television with my grandfather who spoke fluent Mandarin.
哦，原来爷爷是个中国通啊！那太好了。那我第二个问题就是，你喜欢看《大江大河》里哪个人物呢？除了宋运辉。
You got me. That was going to be my answer because I believe that your character is so incredible. You've created such a fleshed out character because he's so determined and confident, but allows his sensitivity to show through as well. He's such a strong character, and yet it's his flaws that accentuate his strength. If that makes sense.
有瑕疵才是最真实的。
Thank you very much for your time and diligence, Wang. I can't wait to see your next project. Here's to Chinese drama series and films finding worldwide success.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.